Use these triple bail shaping pliers to make bails, S-hook clasps, and ear wires. The graduated size of the pliers allows you to make shapes in different loop sizes. Now I'm going to show you how to make an ear wire. First, use the tip of the pliers to create the loop for the charm. Then, going in the opposite direction, use the larger loop to create the part of the ear wire that goes through the ear. Then, take your side cutters and snip off the extra. And here you have an ear wire. Now we just need to add the charm. Take your chain nose pliers, open up the loop, add your charm on the end, close the loop, and now you have an earring.